Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how you can actually edit your activity title within Strava. So, first of all, when you first add an activity, let's go into manual. The title should be here, which you can edit it right from the beginning. But sometimes after that, you would like to give it like uh, another title. For example, at the beginning, we're just using the application for fun, but then you were going to organize the whole activities thing, so you can basically go here to our activities list and view all the lists and know if you did have what type of activity you have done, for example running, what type of running, and simply to have a list with options, so you can, when you search for a keyword, you can find exactly what you are looking for and you can filter it as you like. In this case, editing the oldest activities is very easy and simple. All you gotta do, for example, I'm gonna change this evening run. I'm gonna click on edit. And as you can see right here, I can change many options, many information, such as the title, the sport type, description, and even more options. Like I can click here and it will take me to the full page of the activity itself, where I can change the whole thing about the tags and even more. Now, one thing that you cannot change is the duration and the distance. In case those were mistakenly made, then what I highly recommend you to do is to delete it and simply just keep the same date and hour and simply rechange the duration and the elevation gain. So this is how you can edit the title. It's very simple. Here, let me just do it again. Running, and I'm gonna click on save. As you can see, the title has been changed and everything now as is saved as I want it to be. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.